Thank you for coming to see us at Privacy Test Driver. Data privacy protection made transparent to achieve peace of mind and digital trust with your clients and partners. The need for more privacy awareness, for structured personal information handling, for analysis of business processes that support the personal information and business integrity was recognized over a decade ago. At that time, the idea for our unique service for business process analysis and advanced statistical analysis was a seed that did not have the right ground to grow. Now we have added to our expertise with complementary skills, and of course now the business landscape has dramatically changed with increased complexity and burden. So it is the perfect time for us to rise to your challenge and accelerate your success. We're about the policies and processes for treating personal information with the same respect that is due the real people that information represents. So we're not about firewalls. The rate of cyber threats and changes to the legislation landscape in the last 2 years is frankly overwhelming for any company that does not have a dedicated team, not only for security, but also for privacy, risk assessment, business continuity, audit and legal compliance. And of course, there's always a gap between where you are and where your company wants to grow to. So an assessment of personal information data flow can parallel your business operational flow. So you get transparency for your personal information and your business processes. You can identify bottlenecks. You can identify areas where you can make a change for greater efficiency. You get better communication because you're doing end-to-end analysis, so your teams are going to have to talk to each other. So you'll break down silos between teams, departments, and divisions, and you'll get better collaboration. Internally, you're also seen as a better leader. You're more involved. You're noticing the work that people do. So that's going to translate to better employee retention, better morale, better productivity. Externally, you are also recognized as a leader because you are seen as more stable and you can be more trusted by clients, by your upstream suppliers, by your business partners, by investors. You will gain a competitive market advantage. So we can offer you general online hygiene training and basic privacy awareness. It can be as simple as some lunch and learns. So if you're not really ready for a significant time, money, or resource commitment, this is definitely your budget option. If you are new to teleworking with COVID, this is definitely the option for you. For people with more experience, with at least some IT team, we can work with you for IT privacy training, which is customized to your business processes. If you've already got software, great. This analysis will help you better and more effectively use that software. If you've already got a training schedule, great. Things are changing so fast that you can offer us as a refresher training that is in addition and complementary to your existing training schedule. If you're a more experienced company and you have a regular audit schedule, then we are vendor agnostic. We're completely independent, and we'd be happy to work with you to make sure that you are better ready for your next audit. We're a startup, so why should you choose us? Well, because individually we are recognized for years and actually decades of experience. We have experience in different specialties, so together we combine for a more holistic and well-rounded business view. We have been speakers at conferences, we have been instructors, we have been workshop creators and facilitators, we have been published in recognized industry standard magazines and publications for Academy, for AIAA, for aeronautics and astronautics, for IEEE for engineering, in ISACA for information systems audit, for ISSA for information systems security. And we've also been part of the ISO, the International Standards Organization Task Group TC215, to harmonize privacy and security training. So we would be happy to bring our expertise to your benefit. You can see some of our beginner videos that we have posted on YouTube and on Facebook and on LinkedIn. You can reach us at info@privacytestdriver.com. I'd be happy to spend some time talking to you now if you're ready to go ahead and discuss some initial training. If you need to do a little bit more discussion of your budget and for your current training schedule, I'd be happy to speak with you next week and be happy to offer you our expertise to accelerate your success. I look forward to doing business with you. Thank you for seeing us at privacytestdriver.com.